Alright guys, so today we're out at the farm. We're doing some disking to get ready for some planting later today, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just finished that field. I did most of the disking. My dad is starting this next field, so let's do this field. Alright guys, so I just finished that big field. My dad is doing a small field and I got another big field to do, so it's about 6:30, so we're just gonna keep grinding it out. Alright, welcome back everyone. It's the next morning. Today we have to go over the fields one more time with the disc, and then we're gonna start planting. So I'm gonna meet my dad up by the tractor. Let's get started. Taking over now. I've got to disc this field one more time because it was a little wet yesterday. Alright guys, we just finished disking. Now we're going to start planting, so let's do this. Alright guys, so we finished the corn. Now my dad's planting beans. I'm not going to participate in this, but anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Every Friday is an upload.